Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting piece of tech, a generic 4K HD foldable mini drone that comes in white and boasts some impressive features, especially for its size and likely target audience. This drone is marketed as being beginner-friendly and ready to go right out of the box, which is always a plus for those eager to get flying without complicated setup. One of the headline features is the camera system. It's advertised with stunning 4K UHD video capture and even an 8K HD camera for photos. Now, it's important to note that the listed video capture resolution is 1080p and the effective still resolution is 12 megapixels. So, while the marketing mentions 4K and 8K, users should probably expect solid 1080p video and decent 12MP photos based on the detailed specifications provided. Still, for a mini drone, capturing 1080p footage from the air can be quite exciting and offers a new perspective for videos and social media content. Safety is a big concern with drones, and this model includes an advanced obstacle avoidance system. This is a fantastic feature, particularly for beginners or flying in areas with potential hazards. It helps the drone navigate safely around obstacles, reducing the risk of crashes and making the flying experience much less stressful. This system adds a layer of confidence for pilots who are still getting the hang of controls. Underneath, it's equipped with brushless motors. This is a significant upgrade compared to brush motors often found in smaller or less expensive drones. Brushless motors are known for being more efficient, quieter, and offering better performance and longevity. This means smoother flights, more responsive controls, and potentially longer flight times, which ties into the listed special feature of long battery life, although the exact duration isn't specified here. The design is also a major selling point. It features a foldable design, which makes it incredibly portable. When folded up, it becomes very compact, easy to pack into a bag or backpack, and convenient for storage. This makes it ideal for taking on trips, hikes, or just to the park without needing a large carrying case. Being ready to go means it arrives fully assembled. You just need to charge the battery, maybe do a quick calibration if required by the app, and you're pretty much set for immediate adventure. It's controlled via an app, which is standard for many modern drones, offering access to flight controls, camera views, and settings directly from your smartphone. Overall, this generic 4K HD foldable mini drone presents itself as an accessible option for adults looking to get into flying drones. It combines portability with its foldable design, enhanced safety with obstacle avoidance, better performance with brushless motors, and the ability to capture aerial footage, listed at 1080p video and 12MP stills, despite the higher 4K 8K claims in the main description. It seems like a solid choice for someone wanting a beginner-friendly drone with some advanced features without a complicated setup process.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.